Crane is a bird that looks like a close relative of storks and herons, even though they are not related genetically. All cranes are divided in 4 genera, with 15 species in total. These birds can be found on all continents except on the Antarctica and the South America. Crane prefers life in marshes and plains. Number of all crane species decreased drastically due to accelerated habitat loss and pet trade in the last couple of years. Whooping crane, Florida sandhill crane, Siberian crane and Mississippi sandhill crane are on the list of endangered species. Interesting crane facts. Depending on the species, cranes vary in size between 8.8 to 26.5 pounds in weight and between 3 and 7 feet in length. Smallest species of cranes is demoiselle crane, the tallest is sarus crane and the heaviest is red-crowned cranes. Cranes have long neck and straight beak. Cranes are opportunistic feeders. That means that they will eat whatever they can find in their habitat. Amphibians, fish, insects and small rodents, along with seed, berries and different plants, are often on their menu. Cranes are social birds that live in large groups called flocks. Communication within the flock is established via loud sounds. They produce wide variety of sounds, including alarm sounds that inform other birds of the flock about the near threat. Cranes also use body language for communication. Some species of cranes live on a single territory permanently while others migrate seasonally, those that live in temperate climate. Migratory species may travel up to 10,000 miles during migration. Some species of cranes may travel up to 500 miles per day while searching for food. Cranes that live in Europe and Asia are able to reach the height of 32,800 feet while flying. That is the record in the world of birds. Crane depends on the wind and columns of warm air for accomplishing appropriate height and length of flying. One mating season of crane depends on the species. Migratory cranes mate between April and May. Non-migratory species mate from December to March. Cranes are monogamous species, one couple mate for a lifetime. Mating ritual consists of complicated dance that include fast movement of the feet, jumps, stretching and bowing. Nests are built in the marshy areas. Female lays 2 eggs that will hatch after a period of around 30 days. Both parents take care of the chicks up to 10 months after hatching. 2 to 4 months after hatching, chicks develop same plumage like their parents. Chicks of some crane species sleep in the standing position. Young birds reach sexual maturity between the age of 3 and 5 years. Average lifespan of the crane in the wild is between 20 and 30 years. Oldest known crane was Siberian crane that lived 83 years in captivity.